Hey friends, and welcome back to the MotoPress YouTube channel. I'm Valerie. Today I've got your WordPress news roundup for August 2025. Even though August is a summer month, it was not a sleepy one for WordPress. On the contrary, it's been packed. We've got new tools, a fresh blog, and even a few surprises from AI world. And of course, the community got together at WordCamp US. So we'll cover new features in Gutenberg, a new AI dev called Telex, 10 web's bold GenAI move, what happened at WordCamp US, and even a quick look at Jetpack, Divi, and WooCommerce. Let's dive in, shall we? Let's start with Gutenberg. Version 21.5 introduced something people have been asking about for years, a native accordion block. Now, I know what you're thinking. Accordion blocks aren't flashy, but they're incredibly useful. Think about FAQs pages, course outlines, or long product descriptions. Instead of dumping all the text on the page, you tuck it neatly into collapsible sections. Before, you had to rely on third-party plugins. Some were great, but they added extra weight or weren't consistent with Gutenberg styles. Now, it's just there. And it's not just the accordion block. This release also extended the command palette to the entire WordPress dashboard, not just the editor, so you can hit a shortcut and jump straight to settings, plugins, or posts without endless clicks. Another small but welcome touch, a consistent border radius system. Rounded corners now look the same across blocks that support them. So we can say goodbye to mismatched edges. For developers, the big thing was the multi-block plugin refactoring guide. It shows a new way of structuring code, separating static, dynamic, and interactive blocks, automating block registration, and making scaling way easier. So, under the hood, things are getting cleaner too. Next up, the flashy news. Automattic unveiled Telex, its experimental AI tool. Matt Mullenweg, a WordPress co-founder, showed it off at WordCamp US, and he called it something like V0 or lovable, but for WordPress. Basically, you type in a prompt and Telex generates a block or a plugin as a zip file. You can then install it on your site or even test it right in WordPress Playground, the well-known browser-based sandbox. One demo showed a developer creating a simple marketing animation in minutes. But let's be clear, it's still early days. Testers said a lot of things break or need fixing, so don't expect it to replace developers overnight. But the direction is exciting, and it's all about lowering the barrier to entry. Instead of learning PHP or React, you just describe what you need, like make me a blog that displays rotating testimonials. And Telex gives you a starting point. Matt also hinted at smaller AI tools in the works, like an in-browser help assistant. And he even shared his favorite AI browser, Perplexity's Comet, which already plays nicely with WordPress. So, Telex is still labeled experimental, but the version is clear. AI that helps create not just content, but actually building blocks over your site. Now let's talk about 10 Web. They dropped a GenAI WordPress plugin that could shake things up for hosting companies. Normally, when you buy a hosting, you get a blank WordPress install. A theme could be, maybe some pre-installed plugins, but it's still up to you to build the site. 10 Web solution changes that. You describe your business, for example, a coffee shop in Madrid, and the AI instantly generates a fully functional site. Theme, content, mobile-ready design, and WooCommerce integration if you sell products, all white labeled with the host branding. For hosts, this means they can deliver same-day sites that are basically ready to go. For users, it's all about speed and simplicity. The AI uses models from OpenAI, Gemini, and Anthropic, and it's paired with a visual editor and an AI copilot, so you can keep refining by chatting with it. Early tests showed people were 30% more likely to launch their site this way compared to the old setup, and that's huge. Because, let's be honest, how many coming soon sites never get finished? It's not perfect, of course. We don't know how flexible it is beyond the initial setup, but it's another step toward AI-powered onboarding, and it's fully inside WordPress, and it means there are no third-party builder logos cluttering the experience. Alright, let's switch gears to Jetpack. On August 8th, 2025, they rolled out some solid updates. First up, security got stronger. There is a new web application firewall account recovery flow, so if you lock yourself out, you've got a way back in. And threat fixing got simpler. No more FTP or SSH needed to handle security alerts. That's a huge help for anyone not comfortable with code. Plus, forms now submit without reloading. Nice little user experience boost for your contact or feedback forms. And good news for networks. My Jetpack now works on WordPress Multisite, so managing Jetpack across multiple sites just got easier. Moving on to Divi. Elegant Themes confirmed that the Divi 5 public beta is expected in the late third quarter or early fourth quarter of 2025. So, on August 19th, 2025, in their blog post, the team shared that they are hoping to move into beta in about a month. So, realistically, the public beta should be available in October 2025. This beta will actually be feature complete with WooCommerce modules included. It's really aimed at wider adoption and that last round of testing. And honestly, pretty exciting for designers, especially if you've been waiting for more advanced modules and stronger e-commerce options. Oh, and by the way, MotoPress has been pretty active too. September is set for new releases, including the much-anticipated update of the WordPress booking calendar plugin, which now adds its first payment gateway, Stripe. That means clients can finally pay online, and there are more releases on the way, so definitely stay tuned. And let's not forget WooCommerce. WooCommerce 10.1 dropped on August 12th. Checkouts now faster, direct bank transfers easier for global accounts, and product collections can be built by category or tag. Decimal quantities are back for stores selling by weight, and there is even an experimental mini cart using the new interactivity API. Developers note the session updates and the blog-based editor being phased out. And now the community highlight, WordCamp US 2025 held in Portland. The event started with Contributor Day. There were hundreds of people, beginners and pros alike, all coding, testing, and writing docs side by side. This year, the AI teams were especially active, which really set the tone for the whole event. Showcase Day was all about real-world case studies. There were talks about unlock developer superpowers with AI, and the system is strategy on design systems. Moreover, the creators, YouTubers, and influencers got on stage to share their WordPress journeys. The sponsor hall was part networking, part demos, and honestly part arcade. Yep, they even had games because community should always be fun. Matt Wallenberg closed with some stats. WordPress.org gained over 124,000 new social followers this year. Active users jumped by 10%, and the Campus Connect project supported 570 students across 11 events. And that's a 32% increase from last year. They also announced the Open Horizons Scholarship, almost $15,000 awarded to participants from 5 countries. So yeah, WordCamp wasn't just about AI, it was about growth, education, and keeping the community spirit alive. So, to wrap things up, August was packed. We got the Accordion Block in Gutenberg. Telex showed us what AI for developers might look like. GenWeb brought GenAI websites to host and stacks. And WordCamp US reminded us that AI may power the tools, but people power the community. It feels like you're watching 2 tracks run side by side. Practical improvements today and big experiments for tomorrow. What do you think? Which of these stories excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And hey, if you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around, because the WordPress world never stands still. See you next time.